Hi friends, in this video we are discussing about customer tips management in Odoo 13 point of sale module. So let's go ahead with point of sale module. In configuration with point of sale, then here we can see the option of tips. So click the edit button and tick the checkbox and here is an option to select the tip product and then save it. Then start new session and then purchase the products. Then go to payment. When go to payment, here is an option to tips. Click on that. Now the payment is 210. Then click on tip and add the tip amount. Then click OK. Then that amount is added to the rate. Then select the payment method and validate it. Here we can see the products that we purchased and the tip. So the total amount is 260. This is the tip management in Odoo 13 POS.
Get more details and support